Back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the XRP Ripple coin, friends. This is the latest update of the XRP Ripple coin price prediction. So keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, so I request all of you that please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Anyways, for my friends, let's start the video, friends, and let's move on. So friends, if we talk about the current price of the XRP, the latest price of the XRP in the market, so 1.17 USD dollar is the current price of the XRP. And on the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the XRP, so now the last 1 hour and the last 1 week price change is negative, except after last 1 hour and last 1 week, the last 1 day price change is going positive. Only the last 1 day pricing is positive, except after the last 1 day, the last 1 hour and last 1 week pricing is negative. And so what's going on this time, the XRP, a lot of holders are so confused and also thinking about that what's going in next in the XRP Ripple coin. So let me show. Now if you look the previous last yesterday pricing is okay in the XRP, so absolutely the yesterday change is going good. But unfortunately, in the last half the yesterday, in now current situation, the falling time of the XRP starts now once again. As you can see here, now this time a very barely falls occur in the XRP, and a lot of people very worrying about that after a small jump the XRP Ripple coin or again start falling. We predict that this jump will continue for a long time, but unfortunately they are fast down. So anyways, we can't say about the future. Maybe they again take a jump, maybe they again falls down in the future, but my prediction is that they will fast down for 1 day, friends. After 1 day there is again chance to they again explode, they again take a jump, friends, in the future, friends. Anyways, if you look the last 1 day price change is occurring in the XRP, so positive 9.95% price change is occurring in the XRP, and the highest price is 1.26 USD dollar, friends. Same like that is the highest price, friends. So what's your opinion, what's your prediction about XRP? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.